Hey guys, this is Tom again for another edition of Trial Kits or Samples K-Beauty products. I have my nails here, 12 days old. Just so you know, I wear them like 2 to 3 weeks, my polygel nails. So anyway, this is not about nails, so let's skip that part. And here I have this Premera trial set. Ohi? I don't know if that's how it pronounces. Or maybe Owi? Or Ohoi? And this is the face shop from the Dr. Bimure sample or trial kit. I have also here individual samples. I got this, if you may ask, as a freebies or gift from my purchases. I just keep them for a while now and it's time to use. Annual Rice Essential Softener, Skin Softener, and Emulsion. I tried this a lot. I liked it. The fragrance of this are not strong and it's nice to the skin. You can read the information on these products down in the description below. The IOPE Moistgen Softener and Emulsion. These are really the same size of the Hanyo. It's small, isn't it? It's like I use this for 3 to 4 or even 5 times if I apply a small amount of products. I don't usually apply a lot and sometimes I skip applying. Anyway, I never tried the skincare line from IOPE. I give this to my mama because I can literally use them all. Cosrx, here a propolis light ampule. I think I tried this once before, can't remember, or just the same bottle or another Cosrx products. I forgot. Let's try them on my hand if it's like water or not sticky type of ampule. It's really light. I guess I already tried this before. Oh, this one is famous from Misha. Their Time Revolution Night Repair Ampule. I tried this so many times. I really love it. It's one of my favorite ampule before until such time. A lot of new release products from different brands and I stopped and I tried another ampule. But this one is really, still one of my favorite. Etude House here, Real Art Cleansing Oil and Moisture. I already stopped using cleansing oil because I can use organic coconut oil instead, more cheaper and good for the skin. I never tried the full size of this cleansing oil. I always like have these samples or tester given to me. Etude House again, baking powder, BB Deep Cleansing Foam, one of my favorite cleansing foam. I like the one with the beads on it. I think this is the one, not sure. It's a really nice cleanser for me. Sorry for the dogs. Again, maybe they have a competition outside. And let's open now these kits that I got here. First is from the Face Shop. Only one product I tried so far from this kit, the Dr. Bilmore foam cleanser, and it's nice on my face. It's good for sensitive skin. This one here, I haven't tried their skincare, but I already used their caution, so I can't tell anything to these products, but this is also a pretty famous brand. I guess this skincare line is focused on moisture because the main ingredient is ceramide, if I'm not mistaken. I think all of this skincare are focusing on moisturizing the skin. It's always there, and they add those like brightening or something. Lastly, this Premera, one of my favorite skincare line. I really love the smell of this, so relaxing. I used also before the bigger size of this, and it lasts like 6 to 8 months on me because I don't apply that much of product to my face. As I said before, you should try these products from Premera. Really love it. All I can say for today's video is you need to find suitable products for your skin type, because it might be working for me and for the others, but not for you. We all have different skin type and skin concerns, and so it really depends. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. See you next Saturday maybe. Bye.